Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan Nurpawiani. In here, I will do presentation about cost of change function of agricultural land. In Indonesia effort to build food security and self-sufficiency in the future, we need to pay attention to addressing agricultural land. In order to release food self-sufficiency is not smooth, but many problems become obstinate. Even though agricultural land has a strategic role for agrarian community like in Indonesia, land is scarce natural resource where land cannot be increased, but we need land always increasing, and the conversion of agricultural land biggest threat today. The first factor which become basic of conversion of agricultural land function come from external factor. For example, is urban growth and economic. For internal factor, for socio-economic owner agricultural land, and the third factor come from government policy. The first factor come from external factor is a defeat to is dynamic urban and economic growth. The dynamic urban cause of conversion of agricultural land because the push of agricultural land in the urban area to shift outside city. This is the impact of the rapid growth and which was previously used for agriculture, which eventually changed to industrial. Other external factor come from demographic and economic. One of the opinion several experts who say the land of urban area is not sustainable for agricultural, and the land in urban area sustainable for the economic growth and other. One of the external factor cause land conversion. It will make a change function not for agricultural purpose, but it could be possible to become land used for housing on factories and so on. The second factor that become from the basic for land conversion from internal factor. The internal factor in this example is a socio-economic from the owner of agricultural land. Furthermore, the process from the sale this and agricultural land to this is to improve the lifestyle or human who always less satisfied. In this case, the sale agricultural land to other make possible to change of function of agricultural land. For example, building house, building and so on. The internal factor come from the socio-economic condition is owner of agricultural land will create a large potential for sell land because selling agricultural land the larger price will increase. This will certainly tempt an owner to sell this land. The third factor cost land conversion come from the determination of government policy. The government policy absolutely essential because policy can use agricultural land to survive or shift to industrial or residential areas for the sake for releasing to interest only a few parties. The factor cost land conversion from government policy will determine the end point of land area because the highest absolutely policy come from government policy. The conclusion of the presentation that are several factors like for example, from external factor is urban growth and economic. For internal factor is socio-economic. From owner agricultural land, and three factor is government policy. In order to achieve food self-sufficiency in the future, we need to keep the existing land from the thrown into land that it not